Sir, since you're saying that the matrix is the matrix that came out in the Manila Times is the same as the president has, how will the palace take to the possibility that the palace might be included in possible charges by these journalists, say for libel or for maligning?
The possibility of what?
Libel charges, sir.
Who will file?
What if the journalists or the lawyers file libel charges against the Manila Times and the palace as well? Since you're saying that you have the same matrix, how will the palace react to that?
Pwede sige. This is a democratic country nga eh. Everyone has the right to sue, but whether or not that will prosper is another story. But we will not stop anybody from filing. That's the right. RJ.
Sige, RJ. Follow up yan.
Sir, you mentioned acts na pwede na silang kasuhan. What specific acts na pwedeng makita natin na yes, pwede na silang kasuhan?
Abay, kung halimbawa, nag-uusap sila dun sa mga kung sino man yung mga kausap nila na nagpaplano na silang mambomba, magpatay, mag-assassinate. Ibang usapan na yun.
So how is this an ouster plot kung hindi pa siya umaabot sa ganun?
What do you mean, how?
This Bicoy and then communicating with journalists,
Sa ngayon, ang tingin
publishing.
ko, ang purpose nito is to, for this government to lose credibility. That's how you destroy a government. You lose, or government's losing credibility will be the start of its fall. Kasi yung mga tao, kukontra na sa'yo. Kung mapaniwala mo sa mga kasinungalingan mo. Yun ang magiging start niya.